Hello Mahira. So what are we going to do today?
Something make.
You will make something.
Yes.
What are you going to make?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Dream catcher.
Okay, so we are making dream catcher today.
Yes.
So let's see what all do we have to make a dream catcher. Okay?
Okay.
So guys, friends, this is a very simple craft which you can do at home with your mama, papa or your friends. You will need basic things for this. I will show you what all do we need. Okay? So let's begin.
Yes. Start.
So Mahi, what do we have for dream catcher? Hanger. What is this?
Hanger.
Okay, what else?
Gum and
Scissor.
Scissor.
Scissor and sellotape.
yes.
Show me the sellotape. Sellotape. Okay, what else? Glaze paper. Wow. So we got this glaze paper for Mahira's birthday celebration and we are left with so many to make a dream catcher, right? So let's begin?
Yes.
Okay. Very good, Mahi. So kids, did you enjoy making this super fun and super easy dream catcher?
Yeah.
You can add your creativity into it as much as you want. This is the simplest form of dream catcher we can make with the help of our parents, our siblings and friends. Hope you like this video.
Yeah.